Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter
jeem.
Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter
jeem.
Jeem corresponds to the English letter J, as in jar. Now try to write it with me.
Jeem.
It's easy to write it. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with
jeem.
First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be
je.
Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be
G.
And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as
jou.
Listen again.
Je. G. jou.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
jeem
is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be
je.
Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Jamal
Means camel.
je. Ma. Li. Jamal.
Now let's join these letters together.
Je. Ma. Li. Jamal.
And next.
جرس
Means bell.
je. را. si. جرس.
Now let's join these letters together.
je. را. si. جرس.
When
jeem
is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
G.
Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
جسر
Means viaduct.
J. si. ri. جسر.
Now let's join these letters together.
J. si. ri. جسر.
And next.
جيل
Means generation.
J. ي. li. جيل.
Now let's join these letters together.
J. ي. li. جيل.
When
جيم
is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be
جو.
Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
جبن
Means cheese.
جو. بي. جب. ني. جبن.
Now let's join these letters together.
جو. بي. جب. ني. جبن.
And next.
جندي
Means soldier.
جو. ني. دي. دي. ي. جن. دي.
Now let's join these letters together.
جو. ني. جن. دي. دي. ي. جندي.
The letter
جيم.
has 4 possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
جهاز.
means device.
جي ه ب ز جهاز.
Now let's join these letters together.
جي ه ب ز جهاز.
And next.
جميل.
Means beautiful.
ج
مي
ي ل
جميل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج
مي
ي ل
جميل.
And next.
جحيم.
Means hell.
ج ح ي م جحيم.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج ح ي م جحيم.
And next.
جغرافيا.
Means geography.
جو غ ر را في يا يا جغرافيا.
Now let's join these letters together.
جو غ ر را في يا يا جغرافيا.
Here is how to write the middle form. Like.
سجل.
Means a record.
سي
جي لي
سجل.
Now let's join these letters together.
سي جي لي
سجل.
And next.
سجن.
Means prison.
سي جي
ني
سجن.
Now let's join these letters together.
سي جي ني
سجن.
And next.
شجر.
Means trees.
ش ج ر
شجر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ج ر
شجر.
When those exception letters come before the letter
jeem,
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
رجل,
means man.
را, جو, لي, رجل.
Now let's join these letters together.
را, جو, لي, رجل.
And next,
وجه
means face.
و, جي, هي.
وجه
Now let's join these letters together.
و, جي, هي.
وجه.
Here is how to write the end form. Like
نضج,
means maturity.
نو
ضي, جي, نضج.
Now let's join these letters together.
نو
ضي, جي, نضج.
And next,
منتج,
means producer.
مو
ني,
تي
جي, منتج.
Now let's join these letters together.
مو
ني,
تي
جي, منتج.
And next,
دمج,
means merge.
د, م, جي, دمج.
Now let's join these letters together.
د, م, جي, دمج.
And next,
حجج
means arguments.
حو
ج, جي, حجج.
Now let's join these letters together.
حو
ج, جي, حجج.
When those exception letters come before the letter
جيم,
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
مهرج,
means the clown.
مو
ه, ر, جي, مهرج.
Now let's join these letters together.
مو
ه, ر, جي, مهرج.
And next,
زجاج
means glass.
زو, ج, ج, جي,
زجاج.
Now let's join these letters together.
زو, ج, ج جي
زجاج.
And next.
دجاج
Means chickens.
ج ج جي دجاج.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج ج جي دجاج.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.